Hi guys, welcome to today's spectacular show. Today is spectacular because we want to show you how to use a pressure cooker to prepare cow tail. So one of the basic reasons why people really want to buy a pressure cooker is because they want to reduce cooking time. They want to see how they can just with the help of a button prepare one of their delicious or sumptuous meal in just mere minutes or seconds as the case may be. So today we want to see how we're going to use the pressure cooker to prepare cow tail pepper soup. And trust me, it's going to be really sauceful. When I'm done with this cow tail preparation, I'm going to use it to relish my Desperado tequila beer. So just stay tuned if this is a content you like and would want to see more of this in this channel. Now is the time for you to hit that subscribe button. To start this today, we are going to start by unboxing this pressure cooker. And the manual says, or the instruction from the user says that the first time you're going to use this pressure cooker, you should boil hot water with it. So I'm going to just unbox this and use it straight ahead to cook the cow tail. So in here, you're just going to see the cork which came with it. In the process of trying to bring this pressure cooker, the handle was broken, so I had to fix it, improvise. So I'm just going to take this lid off. Note, please take it off before use. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to bring out what is in here, which is basically the user manual, which you should endeavor to read because they are in English. It's easy enough. I had read this before time, so I know how to use this. I'm just going to show you how to use it to prepare cow tail. So this spoon is here. The metering cup is here, which we'll be using much later in other videos to show you how to make other food recipe. So in here is just the cord, okay, and then the pot itself. Now they say the inner pot protective paper. It is normal to smoke and smell when using for the first time. It is recommended to boil water for the first time and use it normally for the second time. Please remove it after use. That is what was put in here. So we're going to take that off and then get it ready. In case you want to buy a pressure pot, you can always contact us to get a pressure cooker. We have it available for you. So we're going to bring out the pressure pot itself. Now, it is not very, nice because while in transit and handling, it was malhandled. And so we have this dent here, but it's okay. The pot is in good condition. I mean, come on. So we're going to go straight by boiling water in it first. So I'm just going to pour water inside the lid. So follow the instruction and see how it goes. So I'm just going to put that amount of water in here and get it boiling. We are going to use a silver crest blender to blend the pepper mix we're going to use for this recipe. So I'm just going to cover everything in here. Okay, careful, careful in the covering. Once it covers well, you will no. Okay, sorry, I'm supposed to put it this way here because there is a space between here and here. So this space have to face here. You face it here and turn it this way, and it's covered. So we'll pull it to your direction, plug in the cord. The cord is well plugged in, okay, and then we're going to plug it to our direct current, our source of power. So you can hear the beep sound, which means there is power introduction. So what I'm going to just do is to introduce it to the function. This is the rice function, which is going to cook for 12 minutes. The soup function, the chicken function, the tendon function. Tendon will cook for 40 minutes, which is, we can use this function to cook the cow tail. We can use, I cancel first. You can use this beef and mutton to cook the cow tail as well. It's 40 minutes. Cancel. So for now, I just want to boil the water. So I'm going to use the fish function and it's going to cook for 3 minutes. So we are going to cook for 3 minutes. After that, you see what's going to happen. Then we'll pour out the water and then get ready to prepare our cow tail. Behind the camera, we are washing the cow tail to make sure it's really clean. So we're going to use lemon to wash it to preserve the flavor. And also we're going to sauce everything down on this channel. So just stay tuned and enjoy. In time we just want to pieces the cow tail. Oh, rather, this is cow leg. In this part of the place I stay, cow tail you have to book it in advance, so we couldn't see cow tail today, so we had to use cow leg. And this is just 5,000 naira. We bought this at the Calabar Abattoir. Oh, sorry, we are going to have low light at this point in time. This is Nigeria. We have dilapidated light condition. So light just come in and goes out, and so we're using a minimum source of light, but at least we can see. So I'm just going to pieces the meat, and these are the things we're going to use in preparing this delicacy. We have our pepper mix, and we're going to make use of the silver crest blender. So in here we have onions, we have pepper, and we have the tatashi. That's for our pepper mix. And then we're going to use this leaf here. I don't know the English word for this leaf, but this leaf is always hot. In Efik they call it adosa. So I don't know how they call it in your language. Maybe you can put it in the comment section how you call it in your language. But this is adusa leaf. It's always hot. We're going to use it for the cow tail. And then we're going to use turmeric. This turmeric was made by me using this prestigious Silvercrest blender. If you need turmeric powder, you can always contact us to get one. And then this is the suya spice. It was also made by me using the Silvercrest blender. If you need suya spice, you can always get us and we can get them across to you, okay? So we're going to use this oil to fry our spices. Let's basically see how everything is going to be done. But for now, first of all, we are going to pieces the meat to the shape we want, and then we're going to saute everything and then start the preparation proper. So this is our leaf. I had washed this meat thoroughly to make sure there's no sand. So I'm just going to cut it into pieces, into shapes that are going to be okay for me. The meat is strong, no doubt. So you can see I'm struggling to cut it, but the pressure pot is going to help it to, cook properly so that it will be tender for consumption. I have a very large family, so everybody is eager to, relish this cow tail. It's really strong.